Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video I wanted to show you guys how you can reverse look up any phone number. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, stick around for this tutorial. I'm going to show you that you can do this using your mobile device, whether it be an Android or iOS device, doesn't matter. I'm going to be flipping my camera screen over and record my own phone and show you this cool app that allows you to do exactly that, and I'll show you the step-by-steps to show you how you can download and install it for yourself in your own device. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright everyone, so first I want to show you the app on my phone that allows you to reverse look up any phone number basically. So it's this one here, it's literally called reverse lookup. So this is what it looks like, and just to show you the example, so I already had this phone number here typed up, and basically so you type up the phone number, you click trace number, and immediately it traces that number and location. So how cool is that? If you want to be able to do that, let's go ahead and continue. So as you can see, you have all the information here on the map. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. So if you are an iOS user like I am myself, we do need to make some adjustments to our settings before we can download and install this cool app that I have here ourselves. So let's go ahead and click settings or settings app, and if you are an Android user, you don't need to worry about these steps. So this is just for iOS users. So once we open up our settings app, we're going to head to battery first, and we're just going to make sure that we have at least 10% battery in our device, just like that, and that we have low power mode turned off, as you can see. So yeah, after we have done that, we're going to head back to our main settings, and we are just going to head to general. So click there, and we're just going to click background app refresh up here as well, and we are going to select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, whichever of the two you prefer. Just do not select the off option, so either one of these two right here. Now we're going to head back to our general settings, and we are going to click about. And we are just going to confirm that we have at least iOS version 11. If we don't, then we want to make sure that we upgrade our iOS version just to make sure that the app is compatible with our device. However, anything above that is good to go. So as you can see, I'm iOS version 16.1.1, so I'm good there. And of course, if you have anything higher than this, you're also good. Okay, so we're going to head back to our settings, our main settings menu, and we're going to head down to one of our final steps, which is click Safari, and then we're going to go all the way down, click Advanced, and now our final step would be to make sure that JavaScript is enabled just like that. So yeah guys, that will be our final step for our settings adjustments for iOS. So just make sure that you have JavaScript enabled just like that, so that way we can make sure that the place that we can find our app will be able to download and install it without any problems into our iOS device. Alright, so yeah, as I mentioned, that is our final step for settings adjustments for iOS. Now we can exit out of there. So now for Android and iOS users, how can you actually get this app yourself, just like I have it here, and be able to reverse look up any phone number as I showed you? Basically what you want to do is you want to click your web browser, so whatever web browser you use, it doesn't really matter. It could be Safari, it could be Chrome, you know, whichever you prefer, and you're just going to head over here. So you're going to head over there, you're going to follow some simple instructions, and you'll be able to get your app. So that's basically it guys. So like I said, head over here on your web browser, make sure you type it up just like that. Follow some simple instructions on your on the place here, on this place. It only takes about 5 minutes, maybe even less, depending on